little friends, it's Abby. Welcome to my coloring show. Today we will color and learn the letter Y. I start by using blue to color the letter Y. Then I use light blue. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And green. This is a yellow color. I color the yolk yellow. Yolk is a word that starts with the letter Y. Y. Yolk. This is an orange color. This is my favorite red color. This is a pink color. I color the yarn pink. Yarn is another word that starts with the letter Y. Y. Yarn. What words start with the letter Y, do you know? Y. Yak. I color yak brown. Great job! Today we learned about the letter Y. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!